Gesso is a type of primer used to prepare a surface such as a canvas or wood blocks here to better accept oil or acrylic paints. It's generally made of pigments, chalk and binder. It used to be used on wood panels for painting icons using rabbit skin glue among the ingredients, and then those panels were painted using egg yolk tempera paint. Here I've used a specialist encaustic gesso on a wood panel to prepare it to accept hot wax paint. So it's giving the wood a bit of heat proofing, I guess, and helping it. In oil and acrylic painting, it can help in preventing the oil seeping through the canvas weave and so help the robustness of the painting. But many modern canvases are already pre-primed when you buy them, so it's best to check before you necessarily spend on gesso. Thank you and goodbye.